Hello friends, welcome to Kamartha. Today I'll make a very big weekend video. As everywhere they are saying tomorrow is crash, Monday is crash. Iran is attacked by Israel, blah blah blah. I don't know. The crash means it has to correct hugely. It is not even a pullback. If you see 26,500 to 24,500, it is 1,000 points. We are hardly 1,300 points down. Okay. And 26,500's 10% is roughly 2,000 points, 2,600 points. And we are half of that. It is not even 10% half. Somewhere like 5 to 6% you can say. For to say the classical they say 7 to 8% or 8 to 10% is pullback they say. It is not even a pullback. So we'll see it. We'll not going to. Yes, definitely there is a head and neck shoulder pattern on the daily pattern. If this is breached, I will put the level. See, we will talk about the facts. We don't speculate or whatever. Yes, agreed. Fine. And they say even everyone says whatever. This may be the last hope, 23,659. Fair enough. As you go technicals, you most of them know these things. Yeah. It will open up to here, there, what not. Yes. I only made there is a gap here. Yeah. See, I will remove everything. I'll show you. Yeah, because this is the fact. Okay, in fact, they say yes. In the election time, it was filled. Maybe, I don't know. That you consider or not, I don't know. Theoretically, you have to consider. Theoretically, you have to consider. Definitely. You consider, okay. But what about this gap then? When it is breached, taken out, you tell me. When it is taken out, you tell me. See, I have put both, and I will make it into weekly. My memory is weak. There was in the weekly candle there was a gap in something. I'm not sure. Not our lower line, maybe higher line only. Yeah. That was taken out by the election thing you are saying. Maybe. Okay, fair enough. Let the market talk whatever. So what we'll do is we'll do one thing. We will try all the indicators and we will try to see what it is going to happen. The first thing is what we use is my I don't use nowadays. I have kept so much. Bollinger Band. I started with these things earlier days. Can you see there? It has a given up on the weekly basis. As per them, this is the last hope. Bollinger Band will make it a blue. That's on weekly time frame. We are nearing the monthly frame. So if comes, let it come. Again I made it a blue and daily. Yeah. And it is on the lower zone. Fair enough. So what will you do? We will remove the Bollinger. We will use alligator. See, we are not talking anything extra from our pocket. These are the things we use no most of the times MSCD and yeah, alligator is a much better one. Fair enough. Can you see there? In the daily wages it is given up. If it is a bounces, where it will come? Yeah. We'll make it as a navy blue. This is our upper side. And if you see in the weekly candle not yet given up, ready to give up. Understand what I'm saying? Uh, understand what I'm saying? Means that bounce level is a sell on rise. So you have to sell on here. I'll make it as a red. Okay. I'll make in and around those line as a red. Fair enough. It is a sell on rise market. Yeah. That green line is about to cross now. Fair enough. Correct now. Any confusion? Yeah, it is little bit confusing here. We will make it yes. Navy blue, no? Fine. 24,698. To be frank, 24,400 I am going to short. I don't know which is that level. Uh, yeah, I don't know which is that level. Is it this? Yeah, I make it. That is also 583. Fair enough. So this is what it is saying in the weekly. And what about monthly? See there, where is the support? I think this is touched yesterday. Not yet. Fair enough. It is going to break now. I'll make it as a pink. Dabba 24215. It is ready to give up. This is a futures, okay? In the spot, yes, it is taken out, but in the future, yeah. And this level 24,000, it will go 200. My goodness, I don't know. See, note down. Why I am showing this? I will also take the picture, yeah, for my reference. Correct. Understand what I am saying? If one level, mota as per this, we have taken Bollinger Band and the alligator. The most of the things we do it is in these things only. Correct. So this mota it has to come to over here. Yeah, 22, 312. Fair enough. Any questions? If it is comes there, it is hardly now 2000 points. 2000 points in future. Why it is a possible? Because it's a month end. Future and spot has to match. And I'll tell you one funny story. See, I will make this for reference. 24,000. Where was the top? 26,381. So we already 2000 corrected. Again, it has to correct 2000 points. If it is your head and neck shoulder pattern, uh, correct, correct now. So this is how the market works. Roughly 20 to 300 is should be fine. That's what I told. That is our election result is. The next is opening session or whatever. It has to come there. From there only we start investing. What do you say? Fine. And to be frank, I used to see all the index now. Where to invest? First question. If you want to go staggering manner also, mid cap is there, this one is there, that one is there. Where you want to invest? I had a lot of index and these things earlier, but now I use a fair simple formula. I go to the Morningstar one, and there in the mutual funds I will check it actually. They give category average, that will usually give an idea. See, since 1 month it is falling. Is it falling 1 month? Is it falling 1 month? Yes. So what I'll do? So I'll take 1 or 2 months. You can take 2 months return more. What happened? I don't know. So 1 month only we'll take it. Some problem is there. I'll recheck again. Yeah, see here, it is 1 month it is falling because in the October only war started. If it is a war one, yes, of course, gold is shining. Correct? No, it was gold is shining. If you see category average in the first one, which has fallen more, large cap 7.3%, mid cap also 7.3%. Yes, you can see IT technology is less. You can bet on. Yes, some stocks are bullish there. Healthcare, FMCG is all or none. Top bottom performance is 9.8. I don't know category average. They say 2.98. I don't know. Maybe plain index, I guess. I don't know. Some mistake it is. Energy is fallen 7.2. Financial bankings, yes, 6.5. Tax savers comes under multi caps. I mean the flexi caps or multi caps, whatever. It is 6%. 7.19. See, equity infrastructure is a very good one to bet it. If you see the worst performance, it is the fallen most. In fact, last 3 to 4 years, it has the one was boomed. So I think there is one index fund there. You can start investing in this. If I'm not wrong, it is HDFC infrastructure fund or something. HDFC. That is the reality, I guess. Reality index, I guess. Yeah. There was HDFC reality index. It is infrastructure is different. My top recommendation would be boy infrastructure or the quant infrastructure. Okay. So yeah, I'm investing in that. Then that's a good one to start entering. See, what I usually do in this confusing scenario is I usually invest in the least one. Say, gold has given good, precious metal is nothing but gold. So, apart from that, IT has given, fallen very less. In fact, if you see the bottom performer, it also fallen. So, yeah, still, if you want to bet on those mutual fund, I would advise you to use Franklin Templeton Digital India Fund, where they invest 65% in Indian equity, that remaining 35 in the American feeder fund of the technology, which contains all Apple, Google, Meta, because since American is at a higher level still, they are trading at on par, just like your Parik Flexi Cap. But you are getting very thematic, concentrated Indian portfolio top companies, 65%, and remaining 35% US stock related one. It is a feeder fund. It invests in a feeder fund. They don't invest in those stocks. They invest in those mutual fund, which that's why they say it's a feeder fund. So only two recommendation then. And roughly, if you can go with the value or the contra fund 6.96 or the focus fund. These are very less comparatively fallen. 6.95 flexi cap. Can you see there? So it is a tricky one. So thank you. Thank you.